guys, so as you can see in the title, in this video I'm showing you all basically this ambient lighting setup. I've already done the car and it was pretty simple. I'll leave a link in the description down below of another one series that I have done, how to remove the door cards and those kind of bits. So yeah, this one series, first of all, can I say the owner of this car, what a beautiful example this is. It's got a 1M style rear bumper and same with the front bumper. It is in immaculately clean condition. It is a 135i. Just look at the condition of this car. It's so clean. And even with the interior, we've got this brushed aluminium look, which just looks fantastic. And as I mentioned already, the ambient lighting is already completed. One thing I'd probably say I would have done differently is having a strip going across the door. But the owner said, no, I would just like a light in the speaker grille, which is what I've done for them. And we've got the footwells done, as well as the dash strip all across the dash. And that is this car completely finished. Let's jump back in time a little bit to when I was doing the install. And right now you're going to join me on working on the door cards. The speakers are held in with 8mm just here, all 3 of them. You can just remove those and get access to the speaker grille light. With that removed, I've been able to hot glue in one of the speaker ring grille lights. You just basically dismantle the speaker grille like so, and you'll be able to take out the LED and put that into place. And now we can just screw back in the speaker and it will be nicely glowing. And here's where we're connecting up the live and earth on the doors. The grey and red is alive and the brown is the earth. Just connect that up and we'll be able to sort out the doors and just put the door back together. Now I won't show the full details of how to remove the door card right now, but just quickly, one screw up here, another screw here, and the small screw just behind this plastic trim piece. Just disconnect the wiring for the window switches, and that is basically all you have to do. Just use a trim removal tool and pop off the door. So to get the wiring and stuff done for the ambient lighting, well, I've ran the strip through, down, underneath and around this center console piece, underneath this trim, up and over, and basically into this section here. Reason why I've done it here is because we've got the live and earth from the cigarette lighter powering up everything else. The owner has got like a CarPlay and stuff installed, so he's got the auxiliary running into for that. In essence, that's where the main module is going to sit. Now I can position the rest of the ambient lighting to where it needs to go. Get the footwells, 1 on each side and 2 underneath the seats, and then we're all good to go.
5 minutes later.
Another thing that I wanted to touch up on with this car is just how nice of a car it is. I did not remember these cars feeling so nice and tight. Maybe it's just this example, but everything on this car feels great. The steering wheel has really nice texture on it still. It's not completely worn out. I'm not actually sure what the mileage is on this car. 81,000 miles, so it is pretty low mileage. But everything on the car, there you go, you can see the startup. That's just so cool. With the ambient lighting on the car, it can all be controlled where you can change the colors to solid colors and stuff like that. But yeah, I am so impressed with this car. We've got the iDrive, which is in the perfect location. You've got the actual screen there, which is nice and subtle. It fits really nicely with the car's interior, and it's a nice visual point as well. It's not too high up, it's just a nice location. And this is just reminding me of why some of these older BMWs are just amazing cars. With my recent BMW purchase of the M5, I do absolutely love that car, and I think it is pretty much the last real BMW, probably for the foreseeable future, because and the M3 and M4, I'm not a big fan of how they feel and look. The grille still hasn't grown on me unless the car's completely black. And I'm sat in this car and I'm thinking, this is amazing. I would love to own this. And this is somewhat an old car, but it's so well built. It feels like a proper BMW. It's got the N54 engine, I believe it is, which is a turbo 3-litre inline, or is it an M55 in this car? I can't remember that now. But yeah, it's such a nice car. The seats are incredibly comfortable. This is just yeah, I think the missus needs to quickly pass her driving test, so I have an excuse to get something like this, because can't really use that excuse with myself now and having the F90, but I could use the excuse with her. But right, let's talk about the actual ambient lighting setup we've gone for on this car. So as I mentioned before, we've got the speaker grille lights, we've got the strip across the dash, the footwell lights done, and this is literally how the customer wanted the car. We've gone for the Symphony light setup as well, so we can get all the nice special colors. So yeah, everyone, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you all for watching. Please consider subscribing if you'd like to. There's always going to be car content like this and loads of my other thoughts and all the other car builds that I've got going on as well. If you are interested in getting this done to your car, you can tackle it yourself. Links for everything are in the description down below. Or you can look at getting in contact with me and I can look at doing something like this, and maybe a couple of different things. You could look at adding door handle and door storage lights, or even, like I said, a strip light going across the dash. This is the Symphony light kit. You could go for the fiber optic, or there's a couple of other styles as well, the normal LED bead kit. But yeah, right, everyone, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the future. Peace out. Bye.